Coco Kids! Transport. Transport means moving people or things from one place to another. Types of transport: land, water, air. Land transport. Land transport is a way of moving people or goods from one place to another using vehicles that travel on land, like cars, buses, trains, or bicycles. So now we will discuss the land transport one by one. Bus. A bus is used to carry many people from one place to another at the same time. Van. A van is a vehicle used to carry goods or several passengers. Ambulance. An ambulance is a vehicle used to carry sick or injured people to the hospital quickly. Car. A car is a vehicle used for carrying a small number of people on roads. Crane. A crane is a large machine used for lifting and moving heavy objects. Truck. A truck is a large vehicle used to carry heavy goods from one place to another. Auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw is a three-wheeled vehicle used to carry passengers for short distances. Tractor. A tractor is a strong vehicle used mainly on farms to pull heavy loads or operate farming machines. Mixer truck. A mixer truck is a vehicle with a rotating drum used to mix and transport concrete. Fire truck. A fire truck is a vehicle used by firefighters to carry water, equipment, and firefighters to put out fires. Train. A train is a series of connected vehicles that run on tracks to carry people or goods. Water transport. Water transport is the movement of people or goods using boats, ships, or other water vehicles. Here are the examples of water transport. Ship. A ship is a large vessel used to carry people or goods across seas and oceans. Boat. A boat is a small water vehicle used to travel or carry goods on rivers, lakes, or near the shore. Submarine. A submarine is a watercraft that can travel and operate under the surface of the water. Air transport. Air transport is the movement of people or goods using aircraft like airplanes or helicopters. Here are the examples of air transport. Airplane. An airplane is a vehicle that flies in the sky and is used to carry people or goods over long distances. Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is an aircraft that flies using a large balloon filled with heated air, carrying people in a basket below. Helicopter. A helicopter is an aircraft that can fly in any direction and hover in one place using rotating blades. Chinook. A Chinook is a large military helicopter with two big rotors used to carry soldiers, supplies, or heavy equipment. Hi kids, we hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.